Hello friends, welcome to my channel, a channel for learning simple coding. If you find this video to be helpful, please like, share and subscribe my channel. In this video of learning Dart, we are going to understand how we can take input from a keyboard in Dart programming language. For that, I am creating number 16. I say input keyboard dot Dart. Then I say void main like this. Suppose I have a two variable. I say var, I say n1, and then I say var n2, remember, and here I say print, I say enter number 1, then I say n1 equal to, and I say here std in dot read line sync function. So this is not using because we have not import this, so we can import it because first time we have to import the package. I say import, and here I say dart io here. So dart io we have taken here. I just print once again. I say enter number 2, and this is num2, remember, and here I say int s equal to num1 plus num2, remember, and I say print sum of two number is equal to, and here I say s, remember. So we are doing this int s equal to num1 plus num2 read sync line sync like this, where n1 n2 enter number 1 number 2. So try to execute is dart run 16. You see it's saying enter number 1, I say 12, it's enter number 2, I say 34, and you see there is an error. Why? Because by default this function enter string value. So in num we have a string, n1 we have a string, in n2 we have a string, and this is var type, so they become a string, remember that. So we have to convert these string into number. So for that we have to write ins parse like this, remember. Here also I say int dot parse, so we do like this. So it's saying a error that you can assign a double. You type this double cannot be assigned to variable of type integer, so it's looking double, so we can say double also like this, and this is called parse spelling mistake like this, and I can convert this into double. This also I can convert into double like this. You see we have input from this keyboard, we are converting into double, then we are doing this once again. If I run it and I say 34, I say 45, and you see the answer is this one. So like this way you can use std in dot read line. So if you don't want to convert this here, we can convert here also. So for that, suppose I say here int like this, here I say int like this. So here directly I can, doesn't require to convert into double, not at all. I say n1, here also I say n2 like this, and here I say int, you see. But here we have a problem because we have to convert it into int. I say parse like this, I say, and here also int dot parse std in like this. Directly we are converting, but it's showing error that this is string cannot be parameter to type a string. So I say dot to string like this, we converting it. I say to string, converting this because only string can be converted into number. So we say to string here, and we are converting into number int, and then we are running it. So you can do like this also. If I run it again, you do like this, and you see this is the answer. So by this way you can use keyboard also in Dart programming language, you see, like this way. If you understand it, if you like it, please do subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.